Hey guys, this is Prayag
And Sazal.
from Geeks on the Run, and we are here today to launch our new podcast.
The podcast is about any technological stuff that you usually come across in your daily life. So
Let's get started.
yeah, let's get started. So the one very interesting thing that happened to me was so this girl, she comes to me and then she asked me like she asked me for this PDF file which is like 9 MB, and then I was like she asked me for a pen drive, like to put it in a pen drive. Then I was like, dude, it's chill. I'll just mail it to you. And then she was like, uh, the expression in her face is literally like she has like no clue about what I'm talking about. then I have to explain her about the emails, like what emails are. And then she was like, aren't email the thing that you use to make Facebook accounts? And
What logic is that?
I have no idea that these people, seriously. So then we thought, why not just make in first video something, basics like how to use an email. So the things you need to use in emails are,
Well, first thing you need is, a computer, right?
which you have.
Yes, we have plenty of them.
Everyone has it. People just don't know how to use it.
Yes.
That's different side of the story. Yeah.
So next thing you need is a good working internet connection. Okay, don't rely on those stupid dial-up connections and all that. It's all messed up. Use some good broadband connection. It's good. Okay. So next thing you need is a web browser. All right. So let's just fire up a good web browser.
Yeah, and please, and I'm stressing on
Oh
it.
shit!
Don't you ever use Internet Explorer.
I just launched Internet Explorer.
Yeah,
I don't know why I did that.
So since he lost Internet Explorer, we have to wait for 5 minutes.
Yes, you probably have to wait long
for
enough
5
for me
minutes
to-
before our PC stops hanging.
Yeah, I need to close
so
this.
please,
Yeah.
warning, high level alert. Never ever use Internet Explorer.
Even by mistake.
Even by mistake, unless you want the page to load after a year or so. If that's then fine.
Okay.
So it's like this.
So let's just fire up good old trusty Google Chrome.
Or if you are this open source kind of thing, you can use Mozilla Firefox. I usually like Mozilla Firefox.
Chrome is
Yeah, Chrome is best.
also
Chrome is best.
Chrome is good. Really
Chrome is best. Yeah. Firefox.
good. Heard that. Okay. So email. Let's just start off with how you create an email ID first.
No,
That's
no, no.
much more basic.
First thing is, yeah, I guess that's the first thing.
Right?
Yeah.
That's the first thing you need to do.
No,
right?
but the problem is many people have email IDs. There's no people who doesn't have Facebook account. So if you have a Facebook account, you mandatorily need to have an email.
Okay.
But people don't know how to use it.
Okay, sure. Let's just show them how to use.
How to use. First,
email
how
ID.
to use. Because creating is like.
So we'll just go to the really good email client Gmail.
Yeah,
that's
Gmail, yeah.
universally accepted as the best.
Yeah, and people do this is a very really good trick. Okay, so what usually people do is instead of typing gmail.com, they usually go for Google search and then they'll search for gmail and then they'll go to gmail.com. The best trick is type Gmail and press Control and Enter key.
Or just type Gmail and hit enter.
Yeah, they are going to open a search engine and then you have to click.
No, that's not the search engine. That just fires up. Oh wait, never use Safari?
We can move on. We
Okay.
can move on to the next
Okay.
step.
Fine. So we'll just type in gmail.com and just log into our credentials, alright? So that's Gmail for you.
Yeah. And just to be clear, our password is not that circle.
Yes,
The password
it's
will be
different than the stars.
Yeah.
It's called
And
stars.
Please don't keep your password like password 123 or your name 123
Or just password.
or just password. That's so damn primitive, man.
No, don't do
Yeah,
that.
please don't.
Okay.
Be
so-
creative.
Yes, so that's Gmail for you, and let's just enter our username and our password.
And if you are creating a professional email account, then please don't keep those email IDs people keep Superman 123. or
Yes.
something, yeah.
A good email ID is like mine. it's perfect. It's so beautifully
You
fabricated.
can just keep your name or just a number beside your name.
Make
but
it simple.
Yeah, make it simple.
Really simple. Don't add too many numbers. Don't add cool dude. Don't add 007. No James Bond stuff. Nothing like that. Alright?
Be simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, yes. Now we have a Gmail logged in. We have an email ID logged in, and we see all this complex, that thing that looks complex to people who have never used email before, but it's really simple, alright? Really simple. Do we explain all this?
And just click on the compose button, write email, and send it. There's no big deal.
I thought we were explaining how to actually use Gmail, right?
Fine, just click on a compose button and
Okay,
put your
fine.
email ID and then just write
So
whatever you want to
that's
write and just
compose
send.
for you, and
Yeah.
we'll just send it to
Like email ID, just write the
some random
check.
at
Email.
gmail.com, subject hey, exclamatory,
Yeah, one of.
nice, and hit send.
Yeah, he does that a lot, so kind of. Yeah, so be really careful of spammers when you get an email. If you don't know the sender, then please don't open the email. It might contain viruses and all those.
Although Gmail has a virus protection,
System, but be aware because new virus comes.
yes, you never know what.
The virus comes
will
faster than
happen.
antivirus,
Yes, that's
Antivirus takes
right.
some time to catch up.
That's right,
so, yeah.
perfectly. Now, one cool feature that I really love in Gmail is, now if I'm trying to send something like an attachment, right? So I would write this in the body, right? Please find the attached ATTACH.
ATTACHET.
Attachment. Thank you. And without attaching, I just hit send, and it shows me a notification. That's really helpful. Thank you, Google team, for that. You just saved my life there.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Now just send email. That's how you send an email to anyone you want to, right? Really simple.
Just simple.
Just attach something you want to. You can attach docs, photos, videos, audios, anything you want to. Just attach it and then hit send. Simple as that. How many clicks was that? Like 4, 5?
I don't know. They don't even count.
You can't even count that thing.
It's simple
No one
stuff.
cares about how many clicks you did.
It's normal.
Really
It's
simple.
natural.
Really simple. Okay. So that's how you send an email.
That's all you need to know about email.
Yes.
I seriously. what
We
is
still
difficult
can't
in
understand why people can't get this right.
Yes.
Alright? Really simple. What was the hard part in that?
I have no idea. Seriously.
Why do people still, like, I don't know how to use email ID, man. It's too freaking complex.
You know what I should have told her then?
Yeah?
Should have told her, email is not as hard as you make me.
Let's just move on. Let's just move on.
No, fine.
Let's just move on.
So moving on, yeah, that's all you need to know about using an email. If you really want to actually know about something useful,
Mind-blowing.
Say you can ask about Arduino Uno or this some AVR board,
How much does the battery weigh?
Yeah, or the gear mechanism, just like ohm gear mechanism, how it works, and anything, any technological. Yeah, or about the mic, how the mic works. Yeah.
A really pretty cool mic we
So
have.
if you want to understand what is this PCB all about, what is PCB? how to make it.
anything technological
Yeah.
thing that fascinates you, or
Just hit a
wondering
comment,
about,
yeah.
just put it in the
Put a
comments
comment
and we'll make a video
about it. We'll just tell you about
Yes.
this stuff and do subscribe and
Yes.
let other know.
Hit like.
Yeah.
The order goes like this.
Yes.
Hit like, subscribe, and comment.
Yeah, and don't be mean. No, don't be like, oh, I found this very good resource and helpful people. Only I will take help from them.
Yes,
No,
don't do that.
Please
Share.
don't be that guy.
Share.
Tell your friends.
Open source knowledge.
Yes. Please
right?
spread the knowledge. Like
I
let others know.
heart open source. Right? Follow that.
And any doubts about robotics and stuff, electronics,
Just robotics and stuff.
general
Anything.
mechanics. Yeah, robotics comprise
Anything that
anything.
fascinates you. We even give life lessons, for God's sake.
Yes. Yeah. So please, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, do comment.
Yes,
Yeah,
do
yeah.
comment.
Thank you
like,
for
and
thank you
share.
for sticking around this long.
For